Hello guys, today we learn what is switch case statement in C sharp. Let us see. Switch is a selection statement and it will execute a single case statement from the list of multiple case statements based on the pattern match with the definition with the defined expression. We can replace the functionality of if else if statement to provide better readability for the now we can observe that the switch statement process flow will start from top to bottom, and in the first case it will check whether the expression value matches or not. In the case of the expression value matches, mean it will execute the particular case statement block and exit the switch statement. Otherwise, it will go to the second case statement and check whether expression value matches or not. Then same way search will continue till it find the right case statement. If all the case statements fail to match the defined expression value, then the default block statement will be executed and switch statement will come to end. Let us see one example. Like here we can see integer number equal to 200, and how can write switch statement? Let us see switch and number, that is define the variable number and assign value 200, and then after that switch curly braces case 100, then console dot write line, that is statement number is value is 100, then take a breakpoint like break semicolon, then define another case statement like case 150, then semicolon, then write one statement console dot write line number value is 150, then write here break and semicolon. Same one more like case 200 console dot write line number value is 200 and break. If these cases will not matches, then it will go for default, and in default you have written default semicolon colon and console dot write line not known value, and I have put here break, and after that one line I have written console dot write line press any key to exist, and define here console dot read line and semicolon. So you can see here switch case, that is expression, and after that case statement right with colon and console dot write line, same way another case statement and another case statement and default value. Let us see one with example in Visual Studio. First open Visual Studio 2015, to file, new, take a project. For better understanding, I have chosen console application and put here name of the project is switch case statement, and location put here this one, and that is switch case statement, and click on OK button. So you can see here your console application will be created with program.cs file, and there is one class program and there is one main program. Now I have to write the case statement. So already you have written here, so copy this and put in the word main. In the case of console application, first word main will be executed first. Now put the breakpoint and run the application. So after running the application, our pointer will be here like integer number equal to 200 and press F10. Now you can see number 200 and in switch also number 200. And when you can see here, when number is 200, that case statement only will be executed, and that is the statement. So this statement will be executed, and when you press 10, and also there is one breakpoint, so this block will be executed and return to the outside of the program. So again press F10, so you can see that is breakpoint, pointer indicated, and again press F10, you can, your cursor will be here outside of the switch statement, and again press F10 and F10, so you can see here your number value is 200. Press any key to reach it. So our program will be executed now. Now you can easily see what number we define, or also you can take it character, or literal constant with value will not change. So accordingly that only case point block will be executed. So from this case statement, for better readability, you can use in place of if else statement. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.